How to read your credit report on Credit Karma. First of all, log into your Credit Karma account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on either your TransUnion or Equifax credit report to get started. Your credit report is divided into several key sections. The first section lists your personal information like your name, address, and employer. Make sure this info is accurate. Next, you will see your credit accounts, including credit card, loan, and mortgages. Here you can check your balance, payment history, and credit limits. Then look at the credit inquiries section. This shows who has recently checked your credit. Hard inquiries can affect your score, so keep track of them. You will also find any negative items like collections, late payments, or bankruptcies under derogatory marks. This can lower your credit score, so it's important to review and dispute any errors. Lastly, pay attention to your credit summary, which highlights your total accounts, credit days, and usage rates. These factors influence your overall credit score. Now you know how to read your credit report on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.